Welcome. If you've ever muted someone's post on Instagram and later realized you actually want to see what they've been up to, don't worry. Unmuting them is quick and easy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unmute someone's post so you'll never miss their updates again. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and you have the latest version of Instagram installed. It just makes everything smoother. Next, go to the profile of the person whose post you want to unmute. You can find them by typing their name in the search bar or by tapping their username from your followers or following list. Once their profile loads, you'll see all their details, profile picture, bio, and the area below it that says following. Now, tap the following button right under their bio. This opens a small menu with several options about how you interact with this person's content. From there, select mute. You'll see toggles next to posts and stories. If you've muted them before, those switches might already be turned on. To unmute their posts, simply toggle off the switch next to posts. When it turns gray, it means their posts are no longer muted. That's it. Once you've done that, head back to your home feed. You should start seeing their new posts appear again, just like before. And don't worry, they won't get any notification that you unmuted them. It's completely private, so you can control your feed without any awkward moments. If you ever change your mind again, you can repeat these steps and turn the toggle back on to mute them once more. Instagram keeps it flexible so you can personalize your scrolling experience however you like. Now, you know how to unmute posts on Instagram fast, easy, and updated for the latest version of the app. Go ahead and give it a try so you can stay connected with the people and content that matter most to you.